And as concern over the more contagious Delta variant grows, there's new data from Israel on the effectiveness of the most widely used COVID vaccine in Michigan.
Let's bring in Dr. Frank George here to explain what this Israeli data should mean to us and why it is concerning. Frank.
Yeah, Kim and Devin. So, Israel has actually provided some of the best real-world information, specifically on the effectiveness of the Pfizer vaccine, with about 60% of their population receiving at least one dose. And now that the Delta variant is dominant in Israel, they are in a really good position to study the vaccine's effectiveness.
Preliminary data from Israel suggests the Pfizer vaccine is only 64% effective in stopping any infection by the Delta variant, either symptomatic or asymptomatic. This gives rise to an important distinction. That 64% is against any infection. Other data from the UK suggests the Pfizer vaccine produces 88% efficacy against developing symptomatic COVID-19, whether mild or more severe. That is reduced from Pfizer's original 95% efficacy against symptomatic illness. The most important news, though, from the new Israeli data is that the Pfizer vaccine is 93% effective at preventing serious disease, the kind that would require hospitalization or cause death. This means, while the vaccine has some reduced potency against the Delta variant, it is still very effective at protecting people from the most severe problems.
I think what we will see in Israel, in the US, in the UK, in countries where a high fraction of the people were vaccinated, we will see that the vaccines are very effective at reducing mortality and severe disease.
However, unvaccinated people will still have an even higher risk of becoming infected by Delta because it's more contagious, and they won't have the improved protection against hospitalization or death that the vaccine provides.
Now, concern over the Delta variant and a less potent vaccine protection is actually now high enough in Israel that they will likely administer a third dose to boost the response in immune-compromised people for added protection, even though the studies in that group aren't even yet completed.
Now, Frank, we know we have the Delta variant in Michigan. I don't guess we really know how prevalent it is, though, right?
Yeah, not precisely. In fact, the last data shared by the state only found 52 cases in 15 counties. But keep in mind, it only took a few months for the Alpha variant to become dominant, and the Delta variant is actually even more contagious. So most experts expect it to dominate in time. That is, at least until something even more contagious comes along.
Yeah, so right. Yeah. All right, Doc.